Hi guys, it's Peachy. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new bullet journal from Notebook Therapy, and I'm also doing a pen test and watercolor test later on, and I hope you guys find this helpful when looking for your new journals for next year. So this journal comes in a really pretty box with gold stars and moons on it, and it costs 26 US dollars. I spent around 30 Canadian for it, which is kind of pricey for a notebook, but the quality is really similar to the super fancy Archer and Olive journals. There's also usually 15% off coupons, you just have to search for them. The one that I ordered is called the Gentle Giant. They have a lot of other cool designs too, but this one is my favorite because I love whales. The cover is really velvety and soft, and it kind of reminds me of a pair of jeans. The page color is bright white and the dots are light gray, and when you first open it, there's the name of the notebook on the first page and a spot for your own name. I decked it out with whale stickers because I love stickers. This journal does not come with an index, so you'll have to make one if you want one. And at the back there is a really cute quote and a storage pocket. It also comes with a little whale bookmark and also 2 ribbons. So now I'm going to do a pen test with some popular marker brands. The page thickness is 160 GSM, which is the same as Archer and Olive notebooks. So you can see that only the Sharpie bled through, which is normal since Sharpie is alcohol based, but there's no ghosting or bleeding for the other pens. And as for the size of the notebook, it is smaller than a regular A5 because I bought the original size. If you want a larger notebook, it also comes in a B5 size. And now we're going to do a watercolor test and see how the paper holds up to paint. I'm just copying a random whale painting that I found on Google Images. I kind of struggled with this painting a bit because the paper absorbed the paint super fast, so blending was a bit difficult. But that's kind of expected because it's not watercolor paper. So you can see here that there was no bleeding at all, except for like this one tiny speck, but that's still pretty good. And the paper is a little bit wrinkly, but again, that's kind of normal for any non-watercolor paper. Overall, I'm super happy to have bought this notebook and I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and review. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time. Bye!